Hey guys, this is the second week of the Gaudi internship. I hope that you're very excited about the projects that you're working on. And I have a few, tips I wanted to, give it to you, for you to start the crash course. The crash course itself, when you think about it, when you finish it, it will be able to enable you to build an app, like an end-to-end app, where you can upload any documents and you can ask, questions, and ChatGPT will be able to essentially comprehend what you are asking and retrieve essentially necessary answers from those documents. I think it's a super cool project. I really think you should, look into the crash course and start, on it. But I would say, every single journey, you start with something that's a little bit smaller first, right? Find something that's like tangible, you can, latch up on your mind to. And so, which is why I give you the end picture. But to start with that, I think, you should look into, maybe you're excited about building the back end, maybe you're excited about building the front end. But in any case, think about a project that would excite you, right? So it could be, for example, I have some like, school stuff. I would love to like, search answers for that. Maybe it's like I'm building this for my teacher. Maybe I'm building this for my robotics team. So finding, some motivations on that and start with something where you are passionate about. So it could be backend, could be front end, could be GitHub, right? The other thing in here is that, definitely talk to your team. Definitely talk to your team. I recommend every team, when you start your session, try to understand each other a bit more. For example, right, you could ask, hey, what's your sweet and sour thing? So meaning that in this week, what actually excites me, what actually put a bad taste in my mouth. So for me, for example, what's exciting me is our project Nova is actually making really good progress. Today I went through a session where Nova just taught me HTML and we built a personal website by Nova, right? I'm really excited about that. And what actually is sour for me could be, I don't like, for example, driving my kid to school every day, right? And I cannot really foresee myself doing it for the next 10 years. That's like, I don't know, just put a sour taste in my mouth. So when you are, for example, open up, right, for your team, somehow that will build camaraderie, right, because you're being vulnerable. That's actually a very important part of being a leader, right? And so when you think about it, coming together, right, working on something together, working on a crash course, you could find a friend, right, within your team, and basically you'd be like, hey, can we just work on the back end together? Can we work on the front end together? Can we work on the GitHub together? So I highly encourage you guys, thinking back on the turns and be able to essentially, finish your crash course. Okay. So this week, right, when you think about it, there's nothing more that you need to do. Finish your crash course. The leads, right? We're working on essentially making sure we have great, product spec. Okay. All right. So hopefully these few tips will help you. Thank you and see you soon.